Catamine's coming back at you with another unyellowing video. Another set of playoff 12s. As you can see, super yellow. So the process today is going to be to unyellow these. For some reason, I think I said this before in previous videos, 12s, they seem to get yellow. It's just the rubber on them. And it's not just 12s, it's just any shoe in general that you unyellow. I say the unyellowing, which you deoxidize, it lasts for maybe 6 months to a year. And then once after that, it goes back to way yellower than what it was before. So, I mean, playoff 12s, I keep getting them back. I have no problem redoing them. So again, about to ice these up, and I'll be back with the finished product. Finished product, real icy, as you can see. Did a unyellowing on these. One thing I say, I don't always think it's gonna get ice white as it was when you first got them, but get damn near close, pretty close. Again, these playoff 12s. I've been doing shoes for a little while now. A lot of people don't like icing using the sauce or whatever, because leave it too long in the sun, the shoe will start to separate. It'll cause separation due to the sun, the heat, the UV rays melting the glue on the shoes. But I haven't had that problem before because I've got my method down pat on how I do it, so I never had that problem, unless someone has brought me some shoes that's already starting to come apart. I'll do one session on them, and that'll determine if I'll continue to working on them or not, because most of the time if they're already separating and you try to unyellow, it's going to go ahead and melt the rest of that glue. But again, playoff 12s, unyellowed. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.